Hello and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we have a CPU with some bent pins in here. Let's try to clean it to see what it is. Okay, so it's a Ryzen 5 5600G. Okay, so let's see what damage we have in here. Okay, so you see in here we have a couple of bent pins. Now one of them is this one. This is bent, but it's not that bad, right? I'll show you how you can straighten them up. Okay, so you don't have too many shots of doing this, so you have to do it right the first time. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do it without damaging any other pins. Okay, let me try with something else. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is good. I can lift it a little bit with this one. The problem is that it's almost flat with the board. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's almost flat with the board. Let me find something very sharp. Okay. So we got it up a little bit. Now okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put something flat on this side. Let's see. We put this like this. And now with this, we're going to straighten off. That's it. It's nice and straight. Now we go like this. And we make sure okay. So now let's check all of them. These are okay. These are okay. There's some hair of some beasting here. Okay. Okay, so let's test it. You see that is the same CPU, right? We have some RAM in here. This is a working board. Okay, let's have a look. Temporarily put the heat sink. Let's put the power cable. And let's see. Now I am going to, how I'm going to do it, I'm going to make this webcam bigger, and I'm going to point this webcam to the screen. Okay, let me remove the power cable, the HDMI from my computer. Let's plug it in here. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if you can see anything. Okay, we have RAM, we have screen. Let's plug in the power cable, and let's see if it's starting. Yeah, I can hear the fans. Yep, I don't know if you can see it, but it's working fine. Let me grab a keyboard and let's go to the BIOS. Just going to the BIOS, see if the CPU is detected. So Ryzen 5 5600G, 2 8 gig memories. So I think it's working fine. Okay, let me turn it off. Let me plug back my screen. Okay, put this camera back like it was. I don't know if you've seen anything. I hope you did. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.